Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to transfer Ethereum from Binance in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, we'll cover the latest steps to make sure you're doing this securely and efficiently. Whether you're moving ETH to a personal wallet or another exchange, this guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike. First, ensure you have a verified Binance account. If you don't, sign up on their website. It's straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're set, log in with your credentials and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Step 1. Head to the Wallet tab at the top of the Binance dashboard. This is where all your assets are managed. Step 2. Select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, depending on where your Ethereum is stored. Look for your ETH balance and click on it. Step 3. Click the Withdraw button next to Ethereum. You'll see a form pop up. Double-check that you're using the correct network, like ERC20, to avoid any issues. Step 4. Enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Always verify it twice to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Step 5. Input the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Keep in mind network fees, which can fluctuate, so leave a little extra if needed. Step 6. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm. You might get a confirmation email or 2FA prompt, completed to finalize the transaction. Once submitted, your transfer will be processed. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, but monitor your wallet for confirmation. Pro tip. In 2025, Binance might have updated interfaces, so watch for any new features or regulations. Thanks for tuning in. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.